everyone, I am Tanya with Half Steps. I've got my two helpers, Jacob and Emma, with me today. Half Steps is located in Lakewood Ranch, and here in Florida it has been raining every single day, and this afternoon the forecast calls for more rain. So I thought it would be fun to show you a couple of musical crafts that you can do with your kids inside to help them beat the boredom. These are crafts that I do at my sing-along story times. Every once in a while I go to the local libraries and do sing-along story times, and we do a craft. So one of the crafts is to make your own musical egg shakers. If you have some of these Easter eggs lying around, these are perfect. You need rice and either washi tape or any kind of pretty strong tape like electrical tape or even packaging tape. Packing tape would work. And this one is super easy. It goes super fast. You want to take the larger half of the egg and scoop one little scoop of rice. You don't want to overfill it or it's not really going to create much sound. Put the smaller half on top. Make sure it's locked in place. And take your little decorative washi tape or whatever tape you have, and I wrap it around a couple of times just to make sure there's a good seal. And that is super easy. That is the egg shaker. And now we're going to make drums. So there are a couple different kinds of drums that you can make. If you experiment with different things to put in paper plates, it can be really fun. So I've got extra party plates here that we have left over from Emma's party. You can use dry pasta. Make sure that it's big enough because we're going to be sealing it with staples. Make sure that it's big enough that it's not going to fall through the holes between the staples. And just take a handful, put it in the plate. Super simple. Sandwich the other plate on top of it and staple around. And there you have a little tambourine or shaker, whatever you want to call it. And you can give it to the kids to decorate with stickers, markers, crayons. And like I said, you can experiment with different sounds. I love actually making a wave drum with these sprinkles. These are the nonpareil kind, so they are perfectly round. And you don't need that much.
I'll need some.
You can eat some later. I put maybe just a half a teaspoon to a teaspoon. And these little buggers can go everywhere. So for this one, a stapler won't do. What I would do is a very thin layer of hot glue all the way around the lip. Sandwich it. And it makes a really nice sound. Like the waves of the ocean. So I have one here with the bigger plates, and it has a really nice sound. It's okay if when they're decorating they smush them. They may not be able to be used as a wave drum anymore, but they can still be used as a shaker. This was Emma's. So those are the fun craft activities. Stay tuned. Go to Half Steps later today at 1 o'clock. I'm going to be making a special announcement about a really fun contest on Facebook Live. Thank you. Enjoy. Show us your drum. All right. Let's go Mets. David Wright. And somebody got into the sprinkles. Huh? What did you make, Emma? Can you shake it? Can you shake it for us? Here, shake this one. Shake it.
Oh, did the plate get